Okay, we're here at Best of West Shooting Sport, your 1,000-yard public range. Shooting 100 yards today. Wind's blowing a lot. And anyhow, we got some clay pigeons up there on the berm that we put for everybody to shoot. And we're going to go through there and shoot those. I've got a AK-47 pistol. And when we get done, I'll pan back and show you what I see when I'm shooting. Because right now on the video camera, y'all are zoomed in. And I'll pull it back to no zoom and show you what I see when I'm shooting. And then we'll also show you the pistol whenever we're done. So here, let me get up here and sit down and start throwing some lead at them. Clay pigeons on the berm at 100. Okay, we're going to start on the right side, and there's you'll see a survey stake in the middle. By that target's got some green on the border. And we're going to start the next target over up on top. There's a clay pigeon. We're going to run from right to left on those pigeons. See how many of them we can hit.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get the next one.
Hey, Jonathan? Yeah. Good now. All right. O'clock, 1 inch. Very well. Ready! 2 o'clock, fucking a foot and a half. You put your wind in? Charles, is that you on the far left? What target? Ready!
Okay, got all those. We're going to go over to the right corner and start at the bottom and walk our way up to run out of ammo. And we're shooting a whole bunch because I want to show you that you can repeat this over and over. It's not just a lucky poke where you take one shot, you call it, you make one shot, and you quit. I'm going to miss some sooner or later. Miss some. But I want to show you that we're going to hit a whole bunch of them and you can do the same thing. Starting on the right bottom. I can't tell where I hit. Over to the left side on the bottom.
4 inches. Ready? Is that you hitting that last one?
Got that.
A foot, 4 inches.
Now we're going to scoot up to one.
9 o'clock. Yeah.
Cut off the side of it.
Far left, right.
Ooh, I'm going to see if I can hit the
9
piece.
o'clock, 3 inches.
Here we go on the leftover piece. Got it.
Ready?
Got that one.
Oh, Jesus. You were 10 o'clock, a foot.
Got that. We'll scoot up to the right.
Is that another hand?
Got that. Get over to the left.
Between 1 and 2 o'clock, 6 inches.
Got that. All right, the bottom right one is a piece. That's not a full pigeon right there. Ooh, let's see if we can hit the little piece.
All right, ready. You were high.
Got it. All right, those two that are side by side, we'll shoot the one on the right first. Out of ammo. Okay, I'm going to pan back and show you what I'm shooting. That was a whole mag full. Yeah, we missed a couple, but it's perfect. All right, let's pan back and show you what I see when I'm shooting. Boy, they look like little red dots out there now. Yep, that's what I see when I'm shooting. So anyhow, here's the one. It's an AK-47 pistol.